Problem somewhere. Trouble
Freedom.
trouble somewhere. Problem don't happen with us.
Invite your people. I have only 30 minutes to talk about freedom.
My people don't know. They know get food. They know get the light. They know get the money. My people come cry. They know we stay. Hunger too much. But $30 don't donate 1 billion. Aliko Dangote donate 2 billion. Dr. Paul Lenche don't donate 2 billion. Atiku Abubakar donate 50 million. Hunger won't kill my people. Poor man no see think of. After Samed Rabi you donate 1 billion. How about we will donate 1 billion? Young couple no rich poor man. Hunger won't kill Nigeria.
Freedom.
Audio government, audio president, audio ministers, audio senators, audio government, audio president, audio governors, audio commissioners. My people die for hunger. My people suffer for nothing. My people sit at home.
I'm here to talk about freedom, man. I'm here to talk about freedom. Don't say when they suffer. Don't say when they suffer for Nigeria. Man. So I just come inform you now. Who never know about Bender. I know say now don't hear about Bender because not be even my time. It don't they exist long ago. So I just come out, can't tell now about Bender. Because this is the time for us to take it back. We don't do the suffer. Even Europe when we didn't suffer, we did suffer. So I need at least like 30 people or 40 people or 50 people before I start. What I need from now? More invite my people before I start. I beg. More invite my people. More invite una people, I beg. Suffer don't too much. We don't do the suffer. We don't feel continue like this. We don't do the suffer. Bros, I see you. God bless you. We don't do the suffer. So if we continue like this, guy, the future go dey bad. It go dey raga. It go dey raga one kind. You understand? I no come tell and say most speak English. All those government, they are Obaseki, all of them, they just they kill us, they kill our money. You know, mostly we won't be the Edo State and the Delta State. We won't be the Edo State and the Delta State. I concentrate, bros. I they tell them my mind. You understand? I not come preach with them. I not come yarn story with them. I say, me who know Obaseki now? Me wanna tag and want me see my video. Who know Obaseki me tag and I want more to see my video. May see my video. May arrest me or may do me what he go fit do me. You don't say who they suffer. Now let those states and Delta State. Now soldier will come. They will kill them one kill. Nothing will happen. They will do nonsense when they want do. Nothing will happen. What did they know they do for Delta? What did they know do for North? They will come Edo State and Delta State. They will do one. Nothing will happen. Somebody they call me more than no verse, but I will call them later. So, what they try to talk say, anywhere where you dey, all over the world. Anywhere when you dey, you fit dey Italy, Germany, Canada, anywhere, Nigeria. All I need now na from you people to support Bende. Call your people when dey house, say make dem support us. Your people when dey Nigeria, make dem support us, Bende. We don come out now with full force, no going back. Because if we say make we fear death, more na lis ten, death go still come, we will still die. Mostly those our brother youth. I no feel so na lazy today now because e be like so na dey important small now. Because I no feel so na lazy today because that gun una take dey kill una sef. If una take and fight for freedom, we will benefit am. The future go benefit am. Who be the future? Na we and your children, unborn children wey we never born. Make dem for benefit am. Make no come be say they come use leg take follow Libya route come Europe o. Na guy hungry go dey. Even oyibo now, come Europe, you see oyibo, they don dey sleep street. Everywhere don raga. Everything don raga. Everything raga. So, may all of us stand as one. Edo and Delta, may we stand as one. Bende for life. United Bende. May we unite. May we join hands together with the Oduduwa and the Biafra. May we fight this war. May everybody go. May Bende go. Oduduwa go. The Hausa people go. What it be those their name? I forget their name. I don't care about them because I don't feel know their name. Now if I care about them, now I go know their name. My brother, go on. They are some people are so very ragged. Our government are so very ragged. Our government are so very ragged, so very useless. Mostly Obaseki, because for Lagos, the injection when China people carry come, the fake useless thing when China people carry come, they no approve am for Lagos. Lagos people no green, but he accept am come Benin, Edo State, and Delta State he accept am. Why? Because they dey raga. They just believe on bribe. See, now fair put something for math. At the verse, if I the verse, my head not the correct. Everything dey raga. More than that about okay, I want me in this video when I do so. I want me about like saying. I want me everybody saying. They no get what they want to do me. Una wey be Curtis for that Edo and Delta. Na Edo and Delta, na he put Curtis for matter for head. Na he put say make they kill themselves for head. Any bad thing wey dey happen na Edo and Delta. So why that strength una get, una take dey do bad thing? Why una no use that strength? Take fight government. That strength. Why una no use that strength? Take fight government. You carry your brother, you kill am. Government go steal your money. You no fit talk. Una go rob. Una rob poor men. Una no dey rob the people when they steal the money. All money when they come Edo State there. They'll do am when. Nobody will know how money go. Money when they come Delta State. They'll do am when. Nobody will know how they come. Now we go here. They use our resources till they build other states. See. Any of una wey don travel, una know say I no dey joke. If you don go north, you know say light dey north. But we say na we clever. We say na we clever. Light no dey our state. The people wey we dey talk say na cow brain dey with them. They get sense pass us because that cow na e dey the money wey you dey use. Which person for Edo State they don put for money wey you dey use? E dey, e no dey. But cow dey. Onions dey, tomatoes dey, money. Nigeria youth una lazy o. Eat the popcorn. I'm just adversing them. I no dey do am for myself. So I need to dey eat. Because if I die now, none of them go come my burial. Una come, they no come. But wetin I dey try to tell them say, no be to enter media. And I want to pass media. Say, Mona help me call. Wetin I call this man? Yeah, the Murphy. Mona help me pass this message. I laugh there. You know why? Because if you see, I go see sincere I smile before I call the name. Mona say pass this media. Help me call and say, he no get sense. When they talk about Ashawo and Central, he not get future. So more minus you. More minus now. And the other one we say na monkey face. You know they talk about freedom. You dey cause palace na mugu. That one na mugu. You know nobody dey cause palace. No matter anything. We know say yes, some things dey happen for beneath them when not dey right. When they supposed to talk put. As they not talk put. But we know if insult them. So but the people when we feel insult, when we feel fight against, now it be those people when they steal our money. I say 30 minutes now I spend. If you reach 30 minutes, make one of them write something for them, say Dorish. So, what they try to tell now, so, say, Mona join hand together, anywhere you did, Mona found una whole group as been there, because it doesn't go on in so many countries. So, Mona join hand together, Mo will say raise Bende. I be on my Bende, I not be Nigeria. I don't even get Nigeria passport. And I not even doing. If Nigeria is the last country for the world, I know doing. So, what they try to tell and say, I beg. If you don't know who man, if you don't know why, you ain't why you ain't bo. Even na ya just square ya ain't bo. Even what they go back kugbe na simi o sege ne gbe ma. Ege na no ra gbera ege na wa mi an gbe ni bu. O veni mejena na eto ami ka bo gbe me o. Wa me je gbe me un da o save we bo. But wa mi aka bo gbe ni bu. We are who we can be na ne do ya ma who can be na ne we we no se gbe un de egbo eto un wu mu we. Na guy wa je be wu. Egbo wa kan wu emanu we na egbo ni. Whether wa ri edo. E police igbo avec gbe ko won ro sunu so ti le run danu wa. Even no sunu no. If no sunu no osunu dene so egeni maya ya ko boku gbe na gbi na ye freedom rima na hina egeni maya ko boku gbe na gbi na ye freedom rima na hina understand abala media ado aju no mwegberi ave na ave useless people nije ave jore ave monkey face ade mofi wa ave tie geni okay only na do repent stay less so you repent na very involved so ona do amen when then va se tie ni keni no pa wiyan enoge amagba bi enoge ewotubu wo awe no give Germany owo kan won mi igbo e so we are good turn now why am I saying this let's go back to English ila olare na lawo wo I beg, Edo and Delta. This is the time. If they play a voice of Manuwa wa Adam yo, a money when they don't need, or Gwani, Unda Oma no men, or Tim no ma, or Tememi no ma, Jevo. If they play, if you corner with Zuao, or very Temozo Kereba, Unda Fikbegoba, and over Temozo Kereba. But to me, I not making sense. Here go be make video now.
I must salute you guys. I know you guys have been waiting for me since 4 o'clock. But man, where are my fans? Man, you guys should come up. I'm waiting for you guys. Today is a very big day. Let me tell you, I'm celebrating myself as a very, very serious Midwesterner. Let me tell you the gospel truth. The politicians in Nigeria are not scared because we want to control our resources. I'm out here today because, man...
That's truth. They are scared because we want to control our resources. I go fit happen when we fit control. When we join hands together. Now if be waiting, I want let una know now. May we join hands together. May we for control our resources. Unless, my God, our children go suffer. The girl where go reach now, both know they accept black again. Very soon they deport black. We went to Europe. We get brothers for us. Mona call una brother. May they not go to take bribe. 2,000 to vote for who they're not supposed to vote. This time to stand for freedom. This time to take it back. Wetin bra? Wetin una the Kanu dey do, brafa? Una the reason say na wrong thing. Na wetin they see? If they see and say Nigeria not get again. Nigeria not get where they go again. Nigeria not the function again. Nigeria not dey exist again. Nigeria just be like, wetin I take describe am now because wetin don spoil. Just say something dey to describe am. Like Nigeria na cow. Nigeria na cow because na cow land. Nigeria na cow because na cow land. Everything wey they use for Nigeria, well, if you not see cow, you will see onions or you will see pepper. Listen, any na no way for Nigeria. No way. It no work. So Mona listening to this my brother from another mother, but it dey useless more because he talk useless word. I know they lie. I know they do pasha.
I can see God there, Sam Godwin. I can see the Prince Lucky. I can see Ebenezer Monotema. Eba, I hello. You know my big bros. But man, fuck it. I'm a bended boy. Fuck Edo. I'm a bended boy. Nigeria has never done anything good for me. I paid my money to go to school.
So na there for fuck up because they never share am. It go for fair respected though. So because I'm a do boy, confirm a do boy. So I be part of Edo, part of data, but I dey tell una the truth now. Say let's fight for freedom. This is the time. This is the time. This is the time. This is the only way we can fight for freedom. As Biafra come out again now, Biafra, and Oduduwa has then come out again now with full force. So this one at the time we will take come out with full force. I be confirm bended blood. Now they say me up and down. It dey flow. Nobody bunu. Nobody bunu. Anybody bunu. Now you know. So Mona listening to the boy.
Cool. Despite the large oil resources we have, and I told you guys let's wait for 4 o'clock. But 4 o'clock here, the only thing I want to tell most of you who are out there and are watching at me now, I can say I have 14 views. Let me wait till the views get to 50. Let me tell you guys something. It's going to get to 50 very soon. I know my people now. We are 16 now. Let's keep watching, man. Let's share this video. Because every road of Obaseki has died. I want you guys to know one thing. Those ones is maintaining.
No road good. All the road when Obaseki don't tie. No one good. No one. Anyone not good. That one I sure banker. Road no. Bros are not the lie. Anyone, all the road. They pass road in with Ochomole. When Ochomole fair come out. Now they know say those people they be big thief. And they don't people know if you know. If you never they travel, you know. Why when I know? Why when me know? When I dey Nigeria, why when I feel know? Because I dey go different state. My brother, Ring road fair good. Ochomole just go there, plant flower. Where the most not put, it can't say make they put sand. So it can't shift and small. Can't put some sand for the other side, plant flower. They will come find. Yes, I dey explain. They hear me. They will come find. If they find small, they'll say don't do road. They'll clap for them. They'll say 8 years go complete. My guy not do anything yet, Nanda. He not do nothing. Wetin we need. Now we not need road. We not need road. Problem of Nigeria now not be road. Not be road. We need Nigeria need light. Now light na be country because it dey Bible. He say God say let there be light and there was a light. Any country where light not there and nothing go feel good for that country. Never. Una when they watch me, I wish una fit even call Obaseki put now. May they see me direct because I dey like if I dey do something, I dey get weakness. If he say na lie, he go tell me say you dey lie or this. You understand? So, wetin I dey try to tell na so.
They will not give it to me.
Wetin I dey try to tell na so. Una call una brothers when dey Nigeria, una friends. If na 5 people you fit call or 10 people now you fit call, tell them say make them support Bende. As we dey do and dey go, make we just dey do and dey go, make we carry and go the next level because very soon now Brafa they will achieve am. I believe say they will achieve am because Nigeria not be country. Ama wey Brafa no achieve am. Oduduwa they will achieve am because Nigeria not be country. Nigeria na animal zone. And Nigeria na animal zone. Confirm. Anybody wey doubt me now, may tell me say Nigeria not be animal zone. Anybody wey know say he know Nigeria where say Nigeria not be animal zone. May I ask a question? Na animal they sleep darkness. If you want to know, go inside forest. Na there they see animal. Na animal they sleep darkness. Na animal. Na you know they get road, better road. Na animal no they get hospital. Na animal. Animal. Na you know they get school. But for Europe, animal wey dey Europe, it better pass Nigeria people. Because if you want no animal for Europe, then they give them treatment, then they go hospital. You see, animal for Europe, some forest dey they'll go pull light from the animal to take the sea road because animal wey dey Europe, wey dey other country, they wise. But Nigeria, oh, na it just Nigeria na it can be the worstest country for the whole world. Ever since I was born, Nigeria na it be the worstest country. So, Mona listen to this about.
Because they are scared. These guys are looting money day in, day out.
Yeah.
I asked a question. Some of you know about Obaze that says the governor means well, if they do privatization will come, central hospital will work. You guys should go.
Because he dey take your bribe, so he no want fight for the people. He dey fight for his pocket. That Obaze, he dey fight for his pocket. He need you. He just need you. Make pocket dey okay. Just like those some useless Nigeria youth. If they give them 1,000, they'll say they'll finish. But they not think about tomorrow. They don't think about tomorrow. They don't think how the future go be tomorrow. You made a small 30 minutes reach, so you made a 9 minutes.
You go and ask about Obaze. One very simple question: how much does our governor spend a day to make sure that we sleep and wake up peacefully?
Okay.
That's just one simple question I want you guys to ask our governor.
Okay.
Join me asking our governor that question.
Okay.
The whole governors in Nigeria, both PDP, APC, they are all thieves.
Yes, that's true.
If they mean well for youth, how can the governors pocket over 500 million for security votes? And nobody can have the right to ask him what goes around or what happens with that security vote. So let's be factual here. Number one, we're going to ask the governor. I spoke about the traditional rulers. Our Monoba is driving on a Rolls Royce. Our Oba of Benin Kingdom, may you reign forever. So
now yeah, this word when you want talk, so now yeah, you want for talk useless word. Because not being give up bad money. So now if you get money, you use and buy what you need. Now there for talk useless word. Because Oba talk be say because ima onira Oba wa never donoro. Wa never doniro. E wo be wa ya.
Oba Bini, Oba talk by he said, but Oba, you cannot be driving Rolls Royce when boys cannot boost or keke na pep. Each boy in the street cannot boost or keke na pep. That's the factual. Okay, we want to work. Operation Give it, don't use keke na pep. Let's hustle. Can government just do that for once? We produce the oil, we produce the natural, we produce everything here from the south. But these guys, they just control the wealth of our common patrimony, and they are okay with it. I don't know how long you guys want to keep sleeping. You know when they Italy, we don't go Italy. Just call 5 people in Nigeria. Tell them to join the struggle. That's all we need.
Yeah.
I don't need to do all the work myself. But just call 5 youths in Nigeria.
We don't start my own struggle, yeah. And I don't call my friends, I don't call my brothers. And they accept to join the struggle. Now what we all need be that one. And those of you when see this pain, more than say come, may we join hands together, more take this thing to the next level because we are fighting for the future of unborn children. The time is now, bro. The time is now. Who not green now? One day you'll find the way. Maybe that time you not see the way again. Because now the time we will fit it down be this. Now the time we will fit it down be this.
And tell them to just keep the struggle alive.
Yeah.
Tell them to just keep the struggle alive. So now I've complained a lot. First of all, we're going to write an open letter to the Omonoba of Benin. Omonoba, may you reign forever. Oba talk by he said. Now the Oba of Benin must tell us does to ensure that government works for us in the states. Secondly again, because I cannot achieve the change alone. We need Yoruba Obini. We need the Atari of Auchi. We need the king.
A government Ogun Ogbelian. Veni ayamu mafia se. Use masere webo. Wonwe etima no wulo yegbo. No wulo yegbo. Bame webo. E owa mama be poru wugbo. A government imakwe no wa anybody. Iyamakwe no wa favor anybody. Iyamakwe no wa benefit anybody. They don't want anybody to benefit from Nigeria. They are just taking Nigeria youth as Nigeria people as nobody. Why? Why? When we are somebody, they are using our resources to bless the north, the Hausa. They spend our resources for other people. The Hausa people, they will enjoy our resources. We will they suffer. We will get resources. We will get everything. Now we the suffer pass. Why? Why?
King of Ishan, that Oshomole recently received chief of the staff of office. We need all those guys on board. Because if I want to talk to some elders, I might talk rudely because they are annoyance in me. I'm not happy. These days, I go around, I cannot even boast of 500 naira a day as a young man and I'm a Nigerian. And there are some, I'm even talking of 500, there are people that are even praying to get 100 naira a day here. Boys, young men that are aged. Why do we have criminals around? It's just because we have so much and we cannot control it. So for every Edo people that are out there, let me tell you, the only thing for us to do is to support our own regional government, which is Bende.
Yes.
Bruce Ali could do Bende Brewery, open a cement factory, they will flower me, and Bruce Ali University, Puma, which most of you who are watching me are a beneficiary from that institution.
Yeah.
Haven't read well, over the years. What has Adams Oshomole done in his time? I haven't been a labor leader. Lucky Benedict is a write-off. Him and Eziamu, they are total write-off. In fact, if I won't hear their names, I am not even happy with them because those people, they are not qualified to even drive on the roads that they never built. The only reason why I'm still patient is that I'm waiting to hear from our governor. How much Oshomole hand over to you? How much is the deficit? I asked me some time ago. How much Oshomole hand over to you? What is the deficit? Now the governor said he has banned social activities in primary schools and secondary schools. What is the impact? What is the reason for you to ban it? Are you just banning because you don't want them to hold the events there and look at the poor state standard of our educational system? Or what? Or what, my brother, tell me, Nigerians, fellow Nigerians, tell me, or what? Just only this evening I got 4 calls. Oh boy, you know one come that if you see your body the hot, we'll check you. Man, those guys who are calling me.
Brother, how far are they? I greet you. All we need from you, brother, please support Bende. Nigeria don't tire me. I be Nigeria never tire you.
DSS, go after them. Check my call log. I know you guys already monitoring my call log. Check my call log. We are tired of this state called Nigeria. We are tired of it. If Buhari can watch my video on the 6th bed, let Buhari know one thing that is clear. If you are tired of leading this, we that are jobless, leave. We cannot have a president that is jobless. Because today he's not even in his office. All what he tells us is at the comfort of a London room. I'm not in support of that. I say Kabuto rejetamenta to such a policy of the government. So first, we're going to ask your Monoba Obini. I will draft that up later. I'll put it on Facebook. Word to word, I will do a social media press conference before going up. The only thing God has given to us to succeed as Nigerians is just social media. If you see a common man like you, we don't get social media.
So I'm going to cut it off now because I tried a lot. I said 30 minutes. It's okay. It's almost 30 minutes now. So please, my brothers and sisters all over the world, let's support Bende and let's support Brafa and Oduduwa because it's time. Now the time be this. We need to fight for our right now. You understand? Now Hausa people, now they use our resources now. We not get nothing again. And we, they hungry. And we, they suffer. Just look at those people when get resources pass for Nigeria. Now they pass land, enter Europe pass. Now they suffer pass for Europe. Now they Sokma pass. Now then they keep pass for Nigeria. Now then they destroy pass for Nigeria. Now then they fight pass for Nigeria. Now we go see they go our state. We'll score down for Lagos. We they go our state. Now we don't see wait for road conquer. They list you. Now our state, we the Delta and the Edo. Now our state. Now Fulani Esme dey. The notorious people for Nigeria there. Now Boko Haram. The people when they kidnap. Now Christian. Now Irioja pass. Now Isokma pass. Why? Una no see. Most sit down. Both the traditional rulers and the government rulers. Most sit down. Most think and say, okay, why we they suffer? Why we not they enjoy? Why be say now our people now suffer pass? Why be say now our people now active day pass? Why be say now our people now courtis day pass? Because who they jobless go think way forward how to get daily bread. Who they jobless go want thief. Maybe I wish I not follow Libya route enter Europe. Maybe I for just be criminal. Because you know people say me jobless person will not see food eat, may not do bad thing to take get daily bread. You know people say person when they jobless may not find the way we go take it. Maybe I wish I did Nigeria. Maybe they for just kill me. Maybe I for see be Curtis. Why? Because of the useless leaders where we get. Why? Because of these useless rulers where we get. And some of us they cry. They say no, we not be fight for freedom. No, na me the one key. My guy, whether you die by gun, or you die by accident, or you sick, you die, or you sleep, you not wake up, guy, you fit die anyhow. Not be Nigeria. Whether it suffer not kill you, police go kill you. If police not kill you, soldier will kill you. If soldier not kill you, you go jail for what you don't know one, not two. You understand me? As we don't suffer. Igbo can't wake up because na Igbo people na if wake up before us with the same. Igbo people can't wake up, they can't rise, they can't realize say, okay, Nigeria not they go anywhere again. Oh, Nigeria na a deadly country. Oh, Nigeria don't condemn. Oh, they can't do. Who they fight freedom? They can't arrest them. They can't arrest them. He can't go come. Then they can't chase and he can't run. Other person will talk about freedom just for math. Only he just say freedom. He just say freedom for math. They kill him. They arrest him. That's Showore. I know say no fight for saying need the country this so, but he just say freedom. They begin to chase and they go. They begin to chase and they go. They begin to do this. Okay, so when we go wake up, bros, thank you, Bende. When we go wake up, when we go rise, when we go get up, when we go realize. So now the time when we will realize with this, when be say some of us don't realize them for Nigeria, and some of us when they Europe don't see realize them. So the time when we will take stand, say okay, let's stand as one. Let's join out together. We need Bende. We need Bende. United Bende. We want them united. Edo and Delta. We need them. We'll stand. If you dey Europe, you not feel support for Nigeria because you not dey Nigeria. You feel call one or two person when you know for Nigeria say, I beg, go join so meeting where they do for so place. Bende. You go join. Then you when dey Europe, organize yourself. Now Europe are there, so I organize myself. And I see get people when see they support me. So if you want to see them, maybe on a very good day, you will see them. So now organize yourself. Let's stand as Brafa take stand. See, I love Brafa. See, if Ben did not fit stand, I'll go for Brafa because I love Brafa. Like I said tomorrow, not day. Because they need freedom. They say the truth. And the truth, Now he go set us free. If we say we stand united, we shall stand. Now lie, united we go die. United, Hungary finish us. United, we go hold in underage. We will dey 20 years, we don't hold. United, we go die, we go all perish. United, our children not go know us. United, we go collect. But see, divided, we go stand. If we just divide Nigeria now, you'll see everybody will stand for itself. Divided, we shall stand. Divided, we shall stand. I be confirm bende or more bende. Share this thing, rich government, and I want me see na me be Garuba. You understand? My Facebook name na Osamieme Fan Ugagbe. No level for government. No level. Because they don't do cheat us. They don't do us. Oshomole can plant flower. Any government can, whether they plant flower or they thief our money, 30 billion. They say Oshomole thief. 30 billion. 30 billion. 30 billion. 30 billion. Guy, women they suffer. People dey street. Hospital not dey. I surprised when I see they say COVID-19 come Nigeria. Obaseki wan fight COVID-19. He go carry keke na pay te do ambulance. Kai. See, if keke na pay carry animal for Europe, you know say the government na useless. They will swan to cut. He go jail. They can't bring keke na pay come when want to rescue people. Ah, mama mia. Wetin dey happen? May we stand, bend there, bend there, bend there, or more bend there. I be confirm bend there. Oh, I know say now let me one on the scene so me do, me do. You know understand? I be confirm bend there or more bend there. And don't data. Let's stand to our feet. Let's rise. Let's rise. Let's rise. Or more bend there. So I said 30 minutes and it don't pass 30 minutes. So I'm going to cut it now. It's 30 minutes and 7 minutes. 37 minutes. That's 30 minutes and 7 minutes. 30 minutes and 7 minutes. That's 37 minutes. So I'm going to cut it now. So maybe you are going to wait for me next time. Go follow me for my page. Bende Republic Radio. Now they hear news from there. Maybe na woman go talk there or anybody fit talk there other day. I don't know. Or follow me for the page, for the group, United Bende. United Bende Freedom. So follow me because I know say United we go stand. If we divide now, then Bende unite. We go stand. But if we say may we unite with Nigeria, hungry go kill us, we go die. See, people when they enjoy now. I promise you now, people when they enjoy now, both the government and all, I promise you now, una children follow route come. If una say okay, go like this, guy, your people go follow route come. Una understand me? Wetin we need now, na make we join hand together and one bende. So as we join hand together, see, I dey tell now about freedom now. Only 9 viewers now they get. It's not good. But if nonsense I can't tell just now they happy when they say freedom, may they give una freedom. No. If all those people when they talk useless word, they talk freely. I know they cram something they talk or can they think something they talk. You understand me? I know they cram something they talk or they why? See. When we stand as one, Mona take care. Lazy youth, I know say una no one come because una need 2,000 una want to vote. Una want to sell una destiny. Mona go sell una destiny. We dey here. And any of una when they ask, any of una when sell una destiny, when go follow the wrong party or when go stand for party, when not fit fight for freedom for itself, when get brother for Europe or get sister for Europe, he call ask his sister money. And you don't go sell your destiny for 2015. You don't go sell your destiny for government. You can't ask people when they Europe money. Now thunder go fire you. Thunder now he go fire you. Thunder because it don't too much for some of you now. Now thunder go fire you. Even though na your sister you ask her money, na thunder go fire you. Because fight for freedom, make you no go dey ask your junior sister money. No be lie o. Na him make that boy talk say also well, make you no go dey beg your neighbor food. So fight for freedom, fight for better thing. Make you no go dey ask your junior sister money. You job for Nigeria, the highest job for Nigeria, police soldier job. How much did they pay? 40,000. I make my friend run for soldier. He dey Italy now. 40,000. I waited that one go reach and do. When go risk his life. So this the time. This the time. This the time. This one at the time. So any of una when not fight for freedom, when they not fight for freedom, when they see better thing, you know they go for it. They go for the wrong people. You want go for the wrong thing, and you get brother for Europe or you get sister for Europe. You can't go there ask her money. And I thought that will fire you because you no fit leave your country, make your country spoil. You can't say person when they hustle in money. Now you want to put your problem for your body. But if you dey support, good thing, you dey ask your sister money, blessing go follow you. Because some of una don too lazy, over lazy dey worry una. See, this one at the time to fight for freedom. So Mona take care. Because this when I want cut and so I not dey happy. Mona take care. Follow me for page. Go follow me for my page. Go follow me for my page. Mona, follow me for my page. Bende Republic Radio. Mona, go follow me for my page. God bless you now. If you don't know me, you not go on my way. Wa wesi. Wa la wo. Na tunje de uje domu. If you data. Both join them together. God bless you all. Thank you.